Expo, and I have I'm at the Board and Beard Games booth, and I have Block and Key today. Unboxing for B today. 1 to 4 players. So check it out. See what it's all about. Looks like you can use the board as the map. And it's basically got this cool giant bag. I got these so that you can like put them in the corner edges of the board. Looks like has these various different blocks, which are actually pretty good blocks. Has these different cards, and it has this wood. This is going to be a short sleeve unboxing, I suppose. Kind of interesting. Looks like one of those abstract games where you try to prevent your players from using their blocks while also using your own blocks to Anyway, remember guys, good all the time, all the time, guys, good, keep on gaming, like, comment, subscribe, share, Jesus loves you, Jesus God, Jesus Lord, Jesus King, Jesus is rule everything, and have a great, wonderful day. Later.